Stop! Just stop, okay? We all know a fidgeter. What we've discovered, and what several studies have confirmed, is that fidgeting actually increases one's ability to focus. We just need a quieter, more discreet, cooler way to fidget. Introducing Momentum 360. The world's first centrifugal powered hand spinner. Its slim design allows you to take it wherever you go. The Momentum 360's smooth spinner allows you to fidget to your heart's content. Rather than annoy your friends, you just may impress them. The unique thing about the Momentum 360 is the ability for you to control its speed. You can spin it as fast or as slow as you want. It'll never slow down. Use the Momentum 360 at work to relieve wrist pain after a full day at the computer. The Momentum 360 is the perfect solution for all fidgeters. It's quiet, slim, and you will not be able to put it down. That's better.
Moon is a product which enables us to connect to the internet by interacting with natural material, wood. Everything begins when you touch Mui, and once he or she leaves, then we return to its natural form.
Mui is a totally new approach. In a way, we see our future of smart homes.
Hey Mom, can I get some ice cream?
You will feel very special when you receive a message from Wood. If you can check the weather before you leave in the morning, you can choose the right clothes and shoes. Keeping your living space comfortable inspires you to be more creative. The technology is indispensable, but we think by making the technology invisible, we can make the quality of our time more satisfying again.
木をコンコンとノックすることで運を呼び込むという習慣があると聞きました。壁に設置されたムイも筐体に触れることで情報を交換するプロダクトとして木と非常に相性の良い製品だと考えています。
We have a perfect team to create Mui for you. With the support, it becomes possible. I encourage all of you to be the first to join us.